Dear learners, welcome to MIT SDE. A lot of times we find ourselves on an emotional roller coaster, dealing with stress, anxiety, lack of confidence, indecisiveness, overthinking, mood swings, irritability, sadness, loneliness, guilt, or even unexplainable anger. These feelings are valid and a part of being human, especially when we face challenges or transition in life. This emotional turbulence can often lead to other struggles, such as difficulty managing work life balance, trouble focusing or concentrating on studies, poor time management, fear of public speaking, procrastination, low motivation, unhealthy sleep patterns, and a sense of being overwhelmed or stuck. In some cases, it may even affect our relationships and self image. The good news is, you don't have to face these challenges alone. With the support of our psychologist at MIT SDE, by subscribing for MOCS, you can learn healthy coping strategies, improving self-awareness, and develop practical tools to regain control over your thoughts, emotions, and daily routine. Seeking help is a powerful step towards emotional resilience and personal growth. You must be thinking, how can I get in touch with the psychologist? Here's how. You can schedule a confidential one-on-one session with the counselor by filling out counseling registration form. The link of the form is shared with you once you subscribe for MOCS and is provided via email. Once the form is filled by you, you will receive an email from our psychologist suggesting the available time and date as well as the medium for the session. You can choose and respond to the email according to your availability. You will receive an email with confirmation of your appointment after that. Sessions are conducted telephonically and via Zoom based on your preference and comfort. Feel free to express yourself in English, Hindi, or Marathi, whichever language you're most comfortable with. What to expect from the first counseling session? First counseling session will involve understanding your concerns, building rapport, and setting personal goals. Each session lasts for 50 minutes and is tailored for you. Your privacy and comfort are our highest priority. A few tasks will be assigned to you as a homework by our psychologist. After each counseling session, you will receive an email with a link for Google Form and a few activities that are suggested to you by the counselor. A follow-up session will be scheduled by our counselor within the next 20 days via email. In the second counseling session, it will be based on the points that worked out well or what needs attention and improvement and how can we work towards the progress. We offer 3 to 5 counseling sessions based on the requirement of our client. Please note, therapy isn't only when things are bad, it's for when you want to grow, reflect, or talk anything out with someone who's trained to help you to do just that. Remember, reaching out is not a sign of weakness, it's a step toward becoming an empowered version of yourself. We are here to listen, support, and guide you every step of the way. Thank you.